Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the Disney Solitaire stuck on loading screen. Sometimes loading takes longer due to server delays. Wait at least 30 to 60 seconds. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. A weak connection often causes loading issues. Then swipe off from the bottom of your screen. Look for the Disney Solitaire app, swipe it away completely, wait for a few while, and then reopen it. Restart your phone next. Restarting refreshes the system and clears temporary glitches. Then go ahead on Android Clear Cache. Go to Settings, Apps, then Disney Solitaire, then Storage and Clear Cache. Then head over to your App Store, search for Disney Solitaire, and update your app to the latest version or reinstall it if needed. That's how to fix the Disney Solitaire stuck on loading screen. Subscribe for more quick fixes.